Someone said they want to break us. The truth behind the Anti-Kanu posters in Abuja. Hello, my people. Welcome to Igbo Area TV. Today we must speak not just as Igbos, but as people who believe in justice and truth. In the last few days, a strange and disturbing thing has been happening in Abuja, Nigeria's capital. All over the streets, on electric poles, dustbins, and walls, posters of Nnamdi Kanu. It's seen. But these posters are not that of support. They are full of hate. Yes. They are hate-filled posters. Posters of hate. On these posters, there is his face, but with a dangerous symbol beside. A skull and crossbones. Do you know what that means? It means danger. It means death. This is a kind of symbol used for poison or people who are called terrorists. But Nnamdi Kanu is still on trial. He has not been found guilty of any crime. So why is it that people are already judging him in the streets? Why is his image used to spread fear? Who are behind these posters? Who printed the posters? Who paid for these posters? Who gave the permission for them to be shared everywhere in Abuja? Was it an individual, a political group, or something more powerful?
This is Federal High Court. In and out of this Federal High Court, Abuja. These posters you see here, so it's being placed all around the Federal High Court. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. Not one, not two. You go to Secretariat, the same thing. You go to Use Market Junction, the same thing. You go to Bega, the same thing. Bega Junction that leads to Express and Lube and Otako and the same thing happening. They place it all over. This video, I'm making it today, 15th of May, 2025. This is what we see here. Calling a leader of a peaceful movement a terrorist. Where does he count? A man who is agitating for the freedom of his people. This is what we see. Thing is sure that in all these things family is ours. Thank you.
A well-known journalist, Somto Okonkwo, says the DSS and the Nigerian government are behind this act. He called it an unlawful display of hate. He said it is a campaign to turn people against Kanu before and even the court gives its verdict. Now let us ask, is this how Nigeria treats everyone? Boko Haram fighters, terrorists who destroyed villages and killed our people, they are being forgiven and rehabilitated. They are given food, education, and even jobs. But Nnamdi Kanu, who only asks for freedom, is being demonized in public. They want to destroy his name before the court even speak. They want to tell the world that he is guilty, even whether the court has not pronounced him guilty or not. I don't know whether these people are trying to influence the court judgment. Ndi Igbo, something is at stake. It doesn't matter if you like Nnamdi Kanu or not. There is something at stake. And here is my emotional plea to Ndi Igbo. My brothers and sisters, we must not be silent. This is not just about Nnamdi Kanu. This is not just about Nnamdi Kanu. It's about the Igbo spirit. Our voice, our courage, our right to question injustice. Today, it is a poster. Tomorrow, it could be a law. Or worse, silence. If they can humiliate our brother like that, what would they do to the rest of us? We want answers. Seriously, we want answers. We ask the federal government and the DSS, are you responsible for these posters? We want answers. If not, investigate it now. Tell Nigerians the truth. Punish those who are behind it. This is a democracy, for Christ's sake. This is not a dictatorship. Everyone deserves a fair trial. Not trial by propaganda. The case is in court and people are already spreading whatever they like. I don't know whether they want to influence the judgment or what. Allow the court to do their work. I'm not trying to say whatever the court gives as verdict is okay. But at least for now, Nnamdi Kanu and his legal team are in court. They are slugging it out with the DSS and the Nigerian government who is prosecuting him. We, the Igbo people, are peaceful, but we are not foolish. We see what you are doing, and we will not be broken. You cannot break the Igbo man. No matter what you do, you cannot break the Igbo man. And we will continue to speak. We will continue to ask questions. And we will continue to stand by the truth, no matter how. Sometimes the truth could be uncomfortable to you. We don't care. That is what we hold. We must continue to stand by the truth. To everyone watching this, whether you are Igbo or not, if you believe in justice, share this video. To everyone watching this, whether you are Igbo or not, if you believe in justice, share this video. Let the world know what is happening in Abuja. Let them see how a man is being judged on the streets before the court can even speak. You want him in your court. He is in your court. He's been tried. Now you started another campaign outside the street. Whoever is doing this, we don't know. But a responsible government will probe this. Unless this country wants to confirm that it's where anything goes. This is Igbo Area TV. We are the voice of the people. We are the fire that refuses to go out. Stay strong, stay bold, stay awake. Audio, I'm out of here. I'm out of here.
Thanks for watching Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.